facing the full force of the flash floods. Now, these visuals actually show how quickly conditions can turn catastrophic in Nepal's mountainous terrain. Let's in fact listen in.
पुरै त्यो आमामामामामा लाइट लाइट यो चाहिँ है गाइस यस्तो लाइट छ ओहो पुरा ड्याम फुटेर आयो पुरा चाइनाको ड्याम फुटेर आएछ आमामामामामा ल यहाँ हामीले अब ओहो यहाँ यो पुरा ड्याम फुटेर आएको
Over there, the residents also stating that some of the dams may have just burst and that's how the waters are coming through. Well, these are the next visuals which capture the sheer destructive power of the flash floods in Nepal's mountainous region. Water is rushing through the hills with tremendous force, tearing apart structures and damaging everything along the path. In mountainous terrain, a sudden surge can travel downstream with extraordinary speed, leaving very little time for people to react. The scale of the destruction seen here underlines the intensity of the flooding, as raging water transforms normally narrow mountain channels into powerful torrents capable of sweeping away infrastructure within minutes. Listen in. All right. In fact, a massive deluge has left large parts of Nepal's Nuwakot district inundated. These visuals show the extent of the flooding, with water spreading across areas that would normally be occupied by homes, roads and other infrastructure. The sheer volume of water has overwhelmed the landscape, leaving large sections submerged. Nuwakot lies within the river network affected by the extreme weather and flooding in Nepal. The images are a stark reminder of how quickly a flash flood can overwhelm low-lying areas, turning roads and settlements into waterways. Let's look at that footage as well. Well, let's look at the next visual that is coming in. The force of the flood is clearly visible in these images, as low-lying buildings are overwhelmed by rapidly moving water. Structures that would normally provide shelter are left vulnerable when waters rise and surge through populated areas. The water carries enormous quantities of mud, debris and other material, increasing the destructive impact. What makes flash floods particularly dangerous is the speed at which the water arrives. In these visuals, the devastation is a chilling illustration of how quickly buildings and infrastructure can be damaged when a powerful torrent moves through a settlement.